This is our LPCB above addressable stop solder. This is base, and this is the stop solder. This base, it also had 1, 2, 3, 4 ports. Let's start wiring. The red cable connects will log in positive terminal. The black cable connects will log in negative terminal. Now, the red cable connects with the terminal 1 of the stop solder base. The black cable connects with the terminal 3. If this is the final solder bracket, the red cable should connect with the terminal 1. The black cable should connect with the terminal 3. Now, return back to the panel. The red cable connects with logout positive terminal. The black cable connects with logout negative terminal. Then we finally run along.